Welcome back to O'Rourke Coachtrimmers. Today you join me with this 1954 Shelby 289 Cobra. This car has been put back to its original specification with this fantastic exterior colour, and then inside the original build sheet from the car from Ace was beige. Now there isn't a huge amount to go on in terms of what that meant, so we did a bit of research and we found a really original Cobra that had been documented that also had beige with the interior colour. We spoke to Connolly Leathers, who would have been supplying AC at the time when they built these cars before they were shipped over to the States for Shelby to convert them. We looked at the photos together with him and decided that this colour was the closest to those photos, and it's out of the Connolly range. It's Connolly VM3323 and was originally produced in 1951. So the colour was available at the time the car was built. Inside, what we've done is we've changed the seats from black to beige and also the door panels, and just trimmed them exactly as they should be, ready for this car to go on and carry on being enjoyed. We hope you've enjoyed this video. Slightly different car for us here at O'Rourke Coachtrimmers, but it's been really fun from the research through to trimming it and see the transformation. Hope you've enjoyed this. If you've got any comments or questions, drop them below. I look forward to bringing you another video soon.